Okay, here we are at Little Haiti in Miami, Florida. We have been registering people to vote as part of our nationwide voter registration effort, and this has been a very good turnout. We had a lot of people registering to vote, and we have a few of them that need their voting rights to be restored, and we have done this, so we feel happy about it. Now we are going to interview some of our people. So here meet Mr. Antoine, and he will. He's about to tell us something about Obama.